Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to Squarespace allows you to manage products and sales across both platforms. This setup helps sellers sync listings, manage inventory, and expand their offline presence by selling on Etsy while also running their own Squarespace store. Since Etsy and Squarespace do not offer a direct built-in connection, most sellers use a third-party integration tool to link the two platforms. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to Squarespace in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, choose an Etsy Squarespace integration tool. So several tools can connect Etsy with Squarespace. Popular options include Let's Commerce, Marketplace Connect, Set Commerce multi-channel integration, and Automate.io or Zapier. Okay, so these tools allows you to sync products, manage orders, and update inventory automatically. Many offer free trials or basic free plans. Okay, so many of them do that. You can now create an account with the integration tool. So to start, go to the website of your chosen integration tool, click sign up, and create an account using email address, Google account, business details, and log into the integration dashboard. After that, connect your Etsy shop. So inside the integration platform, click Add Sales Channel, select Etsy, log into your Etsy seller account, and click Allows access. So this authorizes the tool to access your Etsy store. Okay, so Etsy must approve the integration. So connect your Squarespace store. So next, connect your Squarespace website, click Add Store. Okay, and choose Squarespace, enter your Squarespace store details, and authorize the connection. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.